will likely be by far the most powerful productivity tool you will ever have. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Yasmin.
And I'm Nadia.
If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to hit the subscribe button below and the bell so you're notified every time we upload a new video on how to transform your life from stressed and unfulfilled to joyful and balanced. So in the past, we considered ourselves very productive. We worked hard to achieve our fitness goals, do our law degrees, and buy our houses all in a very short amount of time. The way we were productive is we worked as many hours as we could, we sacrificed our joy, and we took pride in the fact that we were working extremely hard. But in the last 5 years or so, we discovered how to be even more productive with less effort and more ease. So our secret to this is to deal with your unresolved emotions and control your thoughts so you can create more internal peace and therefore increased and effortless productivity. Many videos and books online tell you to do your to-do lists, wake up earlier, know your priorities, and many other tips on how to get the work done. But very few people talk instead about the version of yourself you are bringing to your work rather than just how to get it all done. For many people, when they're working, in the background, their minds are preoccupied about thoughts about the arguments that are unresolved that they've been having, or the financial difficulty they're going through, or the person that cut them up on the way to work in the morning. Therefore, their minds are preoccupied and they're trying to contain emotions, and their productivity drastically suffers. We learned that the more we took control of our thoughts and dealt with the unresolved emotions within ourselves, the less we struggled with productivity. If you can learn to deal with the chaos within, control your draining thoughts and emotions, and create more inner peace, this will likely be by far the most powerful productivity tool you will ever have. There are countless studies out there showing that your mental and emotional state drastically impact your productivity. And the more internal peace you have, the more productive you'll be. Here are some examples. A University of Oxford study found that happy workers were 13% more productive. Other studies have found that meditation increases productivity by 120%. CV Library surveys showed that 89% of workers with mental health issues reported it impacting their working life. We're now going to go through 4 ways to find more internal peace so that you can increase your productivity. The first way is to journal and brain dump. Capturing the things that are taking up emotional, spiritual, and mental space is one of the first steps in resolving the internal clutter and noise that is preventing you from being more productive. Without knowing what is disturbing you internally, you cannot resolve it. This is why brain dumping everything that is coming up for you emotionally and mentally, along with journaling, can be so effective. By writing out all the things that is clogging up your mind and emotions, you can create mental organization, resolve conflicts, get unstuck, and reduce overwhelm, which will all massively improve your productivity. Try writing out everything that you need to do, anything that is bothering you, decisions that need to be made but you're struggling to make, and then journal on them one by one to try and get to a resolution. The simple task of writing these things down often bring a sense of relief and mental clarity. Our second tip is to do shadow work. Often we carry beliefs, thoughts, and emotions in our subconscious minds and our bodies, which drains our energy and impacts our productivity, and we're not even aware of them. And this is where shadow work comes in. Shadow work is what we like to describe as the inner work to self-awareness, self-acceptance, and self-love. And the process involves becoming still, allowing emotions to arise, and dealing with any negative thoughts around that emotion, whilst also letting go of old beliefs and creating new empowering beliefs so that you can free yourself from suppressed or repressed emotions that consciously or subconsciously hold you back in life. So shadow work is the tool that's going to allow you to shed light on limiting beliefs and fears and thoughts and emotions that are impacting your productivity so you can learn to be more productive with ease. We're not going to go specifically into the process of shadow work in this video, but we will link a video and our free masterclass called Burnout to Balance below, which will walk you through the process on how to do shadow work and help you to uncover the things that are holding you back from being your most productive self. So our third tip is meditation. Like we mentioned earlier, studies have found that meditation increases productivity by 120%. They also show that those who regularly practice meditation stay on tasks longer and make fewer switches and report less negative emotion. Staying focused for long periods of time where you have constant streams of thoughts, worries, and concerns running through your mind is almost impossible to do. The mental, emotional, and spiritual clutter that is unorganized and hasn't been resolved is stopping you from being the most productive you can be. But meditation can help you clear up this clutter so that you can create more space and clarity in your mind so you can focus on what you need to focus on without the distractions and unnecessary internal dialogue that is constantly interrupting you and pulling you out of your focus. We have personally found that regular meditation has also helped us find peace, forgiveness, and has helped us access different perspectives which have all contributed to resolving inner conflicts and therefore enabling us to minimize internal distractions whilst working and therefore making us more productive. The fourth way is deciding on when to accept and let go. When issues arise in our lives, we can sometimes deal with them there and then, but sometimes we can't, and sometimes we have very little control over a situation at all. It's important that in these situations, you learn how to make peace with people, circumstances, and situations that are bothering you instead of sitting with a lot of resistance and discomfort which steals your productivity and focus. You can make peace internally by accepting the situation for what it is and letting go of control over the situation and of attachment to the outcome. We have 2 tips that can help you to let go. One tip to letting go is controlling your thoughts about the situation, and instead of ruminating over negative thoughts, you starve those thoughts of your attention. The way to do this is to observe the thoughts and allow them to pass but not give any attention to them, because we can't always control when thoughts come up for us, but we can control where we put our focus and where we divert it to, so we can think of a more positive thought and put our focus there instead. The second tip is trusting that everything is happening for you and not to you. This helps you to accept and let go of negative situations. If you can trust that there is something greater that's guiding you and you are on the right path, even if it doesn't look that way, letting go becomes so much easier. That's it for today, guys. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. And until next time, thanks for watching. Bye!